I am Dr. Chandrika Shekhar, practicing as an obstetrician and gynecologist at Chirag Hospital, JP Nagar, Bangalore. I am also a visiting consultant working in Malti Manipal Hospital, Jayanagar 9th block, Apollo Cradle Hospital, Jayanagar 5th block, and also Motherhood Hospital in Banashankari 2nd stage. Urinary tract infection in pregnancy. This is a very good question because urinary tract infection is a very common occurrence in pregnancy. In a normal pregnancy. The reason for that is the pregnancy hormone, that is progesterone. This is a hormone which induces status of the urinary tract in such a way that they will be prone to urinary infection. The reason is we have the kidneys, the ureters and the bladder. So these are all having smooth muscles and these are all acting every day in a female. Pulsatilely they will be acting and the muscles, smooth muscles of those organs will be acting and they will be pushing the urine forward. Whereas with this pregnancy hormone, what happens is all this motility of this urinary system is reduced. This motility reduction leads to stagnation of urine. Once stagnation of urine happens, there is proneness for infection. So, pregnancy and urinary infection is quite a common occurrence and it is not a good thing. Once you get urinary infection, it can become more prolonged and can become more severe. See, when we tell urinary infection, routinely it happens in the lower part of the urinary system. That is the urethra and the bladder and all those things. But when the stagnation happens and if it is not cared for, it can ascend upwards and it can happen in the kidneys also. Urinary infection happening in the kidneys is not a good stage because it can damage the kidneys. So that is the reason we have to be careful and get ourselves treated once we know that there is urinary infection. And one more thing about pregnancy is, as the pregnancy grows, the gravid uterus is a big mass. So it will try to block the organs. So that will also give rise to more instances of blocking on urinary infection. One more thing is, in urinary infection, it is not at all good for pregnancy because what all people who get urinary infection, we can get all other problems of pregnancy also. What is one thing is, urinary infection is known to induce premature labor, sometimes abortion and etc. So that is the reason I would advocate that anybody who lands in urinary infection should meet your obstetrician and get proper treatment for it. Should not think that it is just a happening thing and you can go over it, because so many people they get scared that they should not take any medicines, so they try not to go to the doctor, try to manage themselves. Please don't do this. Whenever you sense that there is some urinary problem, please visit your obstetrician so that she'll handle your case properly. So it is not good to have urinary infection in pregnancy.